what's the story here about what's happening in the Ukraine? Ukraine. I know that's a big issue that's on the table at this point.
Well, I think it's the biggest issue right now that is confronting President Biden, the Biden administration. Some news to report.
On February 26, 2024, an officer attempted to catch up to a vehicle after observing it speeding. Check out this amazing police pursuit. The officer had their emergency lights and sirens on, but the vehicle failed to stop. They traveled at speeds around and over 115 miles per hour, with the officer's top speed reaching 131 miles per hour on the interstate.
People off the interstate now.
Ten 16 rollover.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
After the high-speed pursuit, the vehicle traveled into the westbound ditch and overturned, landing on its roof. Miss Moss was transported to the hospital and later released. She was arrested by the Texarkana, Texas Police Department on felony charges. It's not the best idea to cut in front of someone when police patrol is right behind you.
Yes, it has. That's really depending on what year we asked whose mind it was from. Ain't that?
The truck driver was going over the speed limit, and a cop who saw him caught up and pulled him over.
Talking to somebody about doing stand. I think it was Doug Dave. He said, keep doing stand. I don't care how famous you get as an actor. After about 8 years, you're always the last one. You're always the last guy to call out. You're never going to be first year. You got 8 years relevance, but you so start to statement. You just get it every month. Well, that's really the tip of the cap to the Tom Cruises of the world. Is really, it's not about their greatest hits. It's about putting together 35 years and no signs of slowing down. That's the part we need to tip the cap to. They just keep going. Yep. Still worth 40 years. Giant net lost it. First time came out of for every $100 into a giant movie. It's not just like pirate, but you get it back. What? Yeah. And that was a big thing, man. They went, look, man.
How unlucky do you have to be to cause a collision right in front of an officer? Check out his reaction.
Ay! policía.
Me pasa por pendejo, pues si ve que yo me voy a meter y él viene volando para que yo no me meta.
No le toque, baby.
Okay.
Pay attention to this truck driver. He was swerving all over the road and got pulled over by the cop who was behind him the whole time. This pickup truck driver with a trailer was in such a hurry that he broke the speed limit while driving right next to the cops. Of course, he was pulled over instantly. One more driver who was trying to escape from busy traffic, but he was pulled over just like everyone else. The reckless driver was speeding at an alarming rate, but within a minute, justice caught up with him. February 26, 2024, Texarkana, Texas officers were in pursuit of a gray Volkswagen passenger car that had just stolen items from Super One Foods. Officers conducted a successful TVI on the passenger side of the truck, causing the vehicle to veer off the roadway to the right and become disabled in the ditch. The suspect, later identified as Wyatt Wynn, fled on foot while attempting to discard a firearm. After a brief foot chase resulting in minor injury to a Conway officer, Wynn was successfully taken into custody. This BMW driver was speeding and cutting in front of everyone on the highway, but moments later, he got what he deserved. Check out how this impatient driver in the blue car got instant karma. An impaired driver tried to make a getaway after blowing out 2 tires and sideswiping several cars. Check out if he gets arrested.
You dropped your glasses, your sunglasses under your shoe.
Yeah, here he is.
Yep.
This guy almost killed you, didn't he?
He almost killed a few people. He hit a bunch of things on the way here. Yeah, you're driving in oncoming traffic. It's not going to make your life better to kill a cyclist. You drove right in the oncoming lane towards me, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Sorry, what's the people? Thank you.
Check out how this driver got busted for running a red light.